Good evening. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting is a cash rich group, which is definitely a problem for many people. Because after every passing day, I am getting one or another message on my WhatsApp wherein people are asking that how come a company who not raised the money become a cash rich company. Then my reply is that how come in 1976 when HP and IBM not thought of having a personal computer, somebody who was around 21-year old known as Steve Jobs thought of making a personal computer, and he did it, by the way. Treasury Consulting is a hedge fund which is proprietary, which means that no third party can enter into our fund, neither we take any money from the third party. So, whatever positions which we are taking is completely backed up by our own capital. The way we do business, we make money and the money we invest. No third party is authorized to invest in our hedge fund. And this rule would continue probably by the time I am alive. After me, I'm not sure. Functionally speaking, our hedge fund is 100% proprietary, and we do take positions in FICC, which covers fixed income currencies and commodities. We do take position in crypto also and many other asset classes. But like I said, we are a private end fund. No third party is authorized, so our positions are never come in the public. Yes, on day-to-day basis, we make a lot of videos and we let people know, about the various things happening in the financial market. Like we are having our social media on Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and many other short apps. In case you wish to have any information, you can WhatsApp on my personal number, which is +91 9899242978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp on my back office, which is +91 9818485155. From the last several days, I am doing a consistent research on the climate change. That doesn't mean that I am traveling to Greenland, Iceland, Finland, or Arctic, Alaska, Switzerland, all these places. But I would like to thank you to the scientists who are uploading a great work on the YouTube. But unfortunately, they are not getting the appreciation they deserve, but at least I appreciate them. Let it be honest. Although there are limited videos which we have on the YouTube who talked it about the climate change, but still we have few handful of videos who talked about the climate change, and I'm thank you to the scientists and their respective companies who are spending huge amount of money and they are uploading these videos on the YouTube. There is hardly any doubt that the climate is not changing. Climate is changing, and we have substantial evidence of that. There is hardly any doubt. But one of the important things which I would like to bring in this video is the permafrost. And Treasury Consulting is not a competent authority in terms of the scientific evaluations, because I am not a scientist, neither I am a doctor. But yes, Treasury Consulting is a competent authority as far as the linking of climate change with the financial markets. There is hardly any doubt about that. We have demonstrated our competence many times on the social media. More than 13,000 videos are live by a company who is around 5 years old on social media, challenging almost everybody in the globe, but hardly anyone accept our challenge as we speak. The most important thing which I would like to discuss in this video is the permafrost. So first I will explain what is permafrost. When the human was not born, I'm talking about Satyuga, you know, like I speak in terms of Hindi, Indian mythology, Satyuga, Dwapar Yuga, Treta Yuga, and then Kal Yuga. So there are four yugs which we have. If we add four, we get one Mahayug. So I repeat, first we have Satyug, then you have Dwapar Yug, Treta Yug, then Kal Yug in which we are living. If I add four, we get one Mahayug. Brahma ji made this earth. He is also known as creator of the earth, rather creator of the universe. And it is said that there are 64 universe we have in the there are 64 universe which we have. The earth is like a pebble, a small pebble, and in a universe, and we have 64 universe. God knows what is there in this 64 universe. So except Brahmaji, Mahadev, and Lord Narayana, no one understand what is there in this all 64 universe. A human brain having no capability to understand that. During these times, what had happened is that Earth was having a natural process because there was hardly any interference from the men, especially Satyuga. After Dwapar Yuga and Treta Yuga, and especially in the Kal Yuga, there is a huge interference from the human being. Huge interference. Like one of the videos which I was watching, in this videos it is said that permafrost is nothing but a natural layer. I completely agree. It is a natural layer created of ice, rock, sediments, water, and many more minerals. In fact, as we speak, in 2021, probably a month away from 2022, the scientific fraternity is yet to conclude how many battles a permafrost is made of. Because you have different permafrost, like you have a permafrost in Siberia, you have a permafrost in Canada, you have a permafrost in Switzerland, you have a permafrost in Europe and many parts of the globe. 80% of the Russia, 80% of the Russia is sitting on permafrost. The whole Siberia is sitting on permafrost. Many components of the Switzerland is on permafrost. 50% of the Canada is sitting on permafrost. This is what my findings as far as the YouTube videos are concerned. I'm not taking any credibility of these findings. The whole credibility of these findings is to the scientific community who uploaded this video. So we are not taking any credit of this. We are just linking this with the financial market. Here we take the credit. Now the question is, as the temperatures are rising, now temperatures are rising because of vehicular pollution, because of the greenhouse gases. Many people in the world till now not understood the greenhouse gases. Guys, greenhouse gases is nothing but the flaring. Now I'll try and explain you what the hell is flaring. Petroleum is deposited deep inside the earth, which the big oil companies take it out using their technology like ExxonMobil, Saudi Aramco, and many oil companies. Then they store this oil and sell this to the other companies like Reliance and all. People believe that Reliance produce oil. Reliance actually not produce oil. Reliance process the oil. And after processing the oil, companies like Reliance divide this oil into multiple parts like diesel, petrol, CNG, LNG, and they sell to their customers. Okay. whatever business, whatever profit they get, it is known as GRM, gross refinery margins. Anyways, we are not entering into this debate. Now what happens when the oil is processed? There is a component in the oil which cannot be stored economically and environmentally. This has to be released in the air or environment, and this is called flaring. If you visit to any, I would say, any refinery worldwide, you will see a pipe whereby a kind of combustion is coming out. Basically, flames are coming out. And these flames are 24 into 7, which means not a single minute in a year, not a single minute in a year, these flames stops. If these flames stops, then it's a mess. If you've been to any chemical factory who is making chemicals, you will see the big pipes, and these pipes release chemicals into the environment. Similarly, if you visit any petroleum refinery, apart from flames, they release a lot of gases also into the environment. This is called the greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases trap the carbon dioxide and let the environment become more hotter. As we speak, the earth is having around 1.3 degrees of temperature. This is as per the public sources. The projected temperature to reach near about 3 degrees by end of this century. Now what happens? After millions and billions of years, the nature created the permafrost, which is nothing but the sediment, a rock. It's more or like a concrete, let it be honest. On this concrete, the people made roads, dams, bridges, homes, and many more things. Now permafrost is melting. You please open YouTube and see that how permafrost is melting in Siberia. By the way, as I speak, Siberia is the heart of global economy, not Russian economy, global economy. Majority of the energy requirements of the Russia is coming from Siberia. It is not coming from different part, coming from Siberia. So God forbid, if there is any natural disaster happened in Siberia, then mess on the cards. Now, 80% or majority of the Siberia is sitting on permafrost, and permafrost is melting. You please open YouTube and see that there are many great videos which are made by that scientist, whereby they are showing the pictures that how the earth is crumbling, the homes made on the earth are crumbling, and many more things on their videos on YouTube. Now guys, what is that? Now let's assume that you have made a bridge on the permafrost and permafrost is melting. It means the bridge is unstable. It is not safe to travel. Whatever government, you name any government of the globe, they need to destruct that bridge. They need to dismantle that bridge because it is no more safe. That is not an easy job. That is a very costly affair. To make a bridge, you need huge amount of money, and now you are going to dismantling it. Like in one of the videos I was looking, there is a road in Canada. The person who shot this video made it clear that this is not a turbulence. Turbulence means the ups, down, up, down. Turbulence road, rather, it used to be a highway wherein he used to drive on a daily basis to and fro. And now if you look at this road, you feel like roads of India. But this is in Canada. It's all because the permafrost below that road almost collapsed. Almost collapsed. Now let's assume a refinery, LNG plant, CNG plant, natural gas plant, probably I would say any other energy related installment, and the permafrost beneath collapsed, what would happen? I don't think even any textbook of the universe would be able to explain this. But we can imagine this. Like Einstein said, imagination is more powerful than knowledge. And God forbid, if anything happens, then this would have trigger waves across the energy sector of the globe. Now, here I am talking about Siberia. The permafrost is melting in Canada. It is melting in Switzerland. It is melting in different parts of Europe. It is melting in Arctic. It is melting in Alaska. It is melting in Greenland. It is melting in Iceland. It's not about Siberia. So, financial market in the upcoming time would definitely have energy crisis. I don't think there is hardly any doubt. Like I repeat, Treasury consulting might not be the competent authority as far as the scientific evaluations are concerned. We are not competent authority to go to Alaska, Greenland, Arctic, Switzerland to check how permafrost is melting. But yes, we are competent authority as far as the linking of this with the financial markets are concerned. If a single virus can take the supply chain off for 2 consecutive years and still not yet done, let it be honest, then one big mess of permafrost can trigger energy collapse beyond any textbook. Beyond any textbook. That's what I would like to let you know in this video. I assure you that now we started the climate series. Probably in the upcoming time, we would be talking about the green hydrogen, we would be talking about the blue hydrogen, the white hydrogen, the brown hydrogen. We would be talking about more about the permafrost, the glaciers melting, and many more things, and linking this with the financial market. But in the last 10-15 days, I again thankful to the scientists who uploaded a very wonderful research on the YouTube. And because of them, we are actually in a situation to understand that the ground beneath us is shaping. But as usual, we are completely unconcerned. As usual, nothing new. This is the beginning of the climate change series which we are bringing to the globe. Now, this is a universal series, henceforth, all the videos would be in English because this is for the global viewers. This is Rahul Magan from Treasury Consulting Group. You know my personal number, which is +91 9899 242 978. I don't know how would I conclude this video, but it's really scary to see, you know, what is going, and I haven't seen any business channel covering this. Whether this is Bloomberg, CNN, or anyone, hardly seen any business channel was covering. But yes, after watching all these videos, you are definitely feeling scary because it's like a huge mess is on the cards and we need to be alert. Thank you, and have a great time ahead. This is the video which is dedicated to the Treasury Consulting Group. And to be very honest, we are keeping this video now onwards at the end of every YouTube video. And all the courses by Sheetal Academy and Treasury Consulting Group. There are many questions people generally raised about Treasury Consulting, the products, the services, and we reply these questions on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and variety of forums. but the quantity of questions, the queries are continuously increasing. Henceforth, we decided to make a video. Of course, this is not the only video which we are making. Rather, you know, over the period of the time, we would continue to upgrade this video, to be precise. First of all, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. As we speak, company is around 5 years plus old, and more importantly, we are 100% cash rich company. Unlike the so-called unicorns, without quoting the name, and even if I quote the name, it's a fact that they never touch the profit. The company is in profits from inception. So since inception, the company is in profit. So we are a 100% cash rich group, 0% venture capitalist, and 0% debt. More importantly, our legal entities invest our free cash with mutual funds and international banks across the globe. We are a client to almost top 10 mutual funds in India, and that is the reason we do have holistic information about the mutual fund industry in India. That's a separate thing, that majority of the information never comes in public domain. Even if a fraction of the information comes in public domain, this fraction of information come for one day, and then you know how it happens. So as we speak, we do have three legal entities: India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are a cash rich group, and we are having 0%, which means not a single cent invested by any venture capitalist or private equity firm. The company has not taken debt from any bank, financial institution, or hedge fund. So we are a zero debt company. That is something which we need to understand very holistically. The following are the products and services we do have about Treasury Consulting. The more detail is coming at the as the video progress. We have our own proprietary hedge fund. Many people in the world do not understand the meaning of proprietary. The proprietary means no party outside Treasury Consulting can invest in our hedge fund, which means that we trade with our own money. We are not accepting anybody's money. Even if you give us any amount of money, any proposal on the table, it is completely rejectable. So proprietary is a word which is often used in United States and Europe, but unfortunately this is least used in India. The proprietary means people trade their own money. They do not trade somebody's money. Even if tomorrow, after listening this video, you come to us and say that I give you $1 million to trade my money, I will say thank you very much. We are literally not interested. We hold our own proprietary fund, and that fund would continue to be proprietary, which means that the outside participation would continue to be zero forever. This fund includes the equities desk, the commodities desk. We have our virtual comics platform. More importantly, we have our OTT Academy. OTT stands at over the top, just like we are having Amazon Prime, we are having Netflix, Disney. There are so many, OTT platform we have worldwide. Our OTT platforms is not as big because they started 6 months ago, but thankfully we are having handful of customers, and they are growing. In our OTT platform, we are creating video and uploading at the back end of our platform. People with authorized login ID and password can see these videos. Apart from that, no one else is authorized to see these videos. As the video progresses, you will get to know that as we are having around 13 plus, which is 13 plus different series as far as the OTT platform is concerned. As we speak, August 2021, it is 13 plus, and we are continuously adding more series. Our idea is very clear. We will reach to 35 or probably 40 series in another 1.5 years of time. We are having our learning arm, which is Sheetal Academy. The details of the Sheetal Academy is given at the end of the video. We have our own family office desk. Rather, very soon, our hedge fund would be a part of our family office. We have our own pension fund desk in terms of consulting. And there are 62 plus different platforms which are listed on our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. So as we speak, we have our proprietary hedge fund, we have our equities desk, we have our commodities desk, we have our virtual comics platform, our OTT Academy, our penny stock desk, Sheetal Academy, family office, pension fund, and variety of such platforms. TRFX Academy, which is our OTT platform, over the top platform. This platform is having 13 plus series. Now, few I mentioned, basic series, moderate series, advanced series, valuation series, treasury series, wealth management platform. Wealth management platform is actually integrated with TRFX Academy and would continue to be integrated because of course we would be investing heavily in the wealth management platform. When we speak about wealth management platform, we speak about the learnings. We are not talking about the trading. There is a difference. It's a trading platform. Remember this. We have 13 plus different series, like few are basic series, moderate series, valuation series, advanced series, treasury series, research and analysis series, and we have variety of such series. So please do remember that. As we speak, we have around 180 plus videos live. Every week we shot 10 videos. So every month we are adding around 40 to 50 videos, and we keep adding more and more videos as the time would come. The target is very clear that we would be having more than 2000 plus videos probably in another 2 years of time, which means a dedicated private platform for learnings. So what is the wealth management platform? A wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. The asset classes includes the fixed income, currencies, commodities, credit derivatives, structured derivatives, and many more. So I repeat, a wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. Wealth management platform is also designed to cover continent-wise topic. Continents are United States, Europe, AXI, Asia excluding India. We have excluded India because the financial markets in India are very, very shallow. Very shallow. Like if you speak MTN, medium term notes, if you speak about any exotic derivatives, nowhere people are taking this. In fact, you know that I worked as a corporate treasurer. Even today, 99% of the treasury function in India are working as a cost center. Hardly 1% are working as a profit center. Hardly 1%, to be honest. So the continent-wise include United States, Asia excluding India, Asia excluding Japan, India and Japan, global financial centers like Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, Luxembourg, Switzerland, and respective, and of course Latin America. We are creating a wealth management platform which would be covering everything. Example, CDS, credit derivatives. India is not a market of credit derivatives. Reserve Bank of India on paper allowing credit derivatives, but neither we have buyer nor we have sellers of credit derivative. So on paper you have credit derivative, but practically you don't have the credit derivative in place. Henceforth, we really need to understand that if we wanted to talk about credit derivative, the only markets are US, Europe, or Singapore. India was not a market, is not a market, and would continue to be, because we are doing nothing substantial to create a credit derivative market in India. That's the reason, even after a lot of frauds which are happening, banks are just writing off the money from their books. Simply writing off the money from their books. Had it been the credit derivative, banks would be able to get their money back. But once again, if you talk about this issue, people don't understand because they are not interested to have this. Anyways, a wealth management platform designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. And very soon, this wealth management platform would link with our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. And of course, we would be adding crypto as well. That is most important. We are planning around 1000 plus wealth management videos by December 2022, which would be covering continents like United States, Europe, Japanese market, Asian markets, global financial centers, Latin America, the tax havens like Bermuda, BVI, Caribbean and respective, and structured finance, my favorite. 1000 plus videos would be covering almost everything as far as the wealth management is concerned. We would be covering a very simplistic and the plain vanilla topic. At the same time, we would be covering the exotic topic also. So basically, our wealth management platform is for the people, those who are having zero knowledge, and it is also for the people, those who are having advanced knowledge. Please understand that. It is not designed for the people, those who only have basic knowledge, or the people who wanted to have exotic knowledge. People with the basic, moderate, or advanced, they all can participate. This is our TRFX Academy, a screenshot taken from our fixed income platform. This TRFX Academy is our OTT platform, which is over the top platform. And in this TRFX Academy, we are of course interlinking the wealth management platform also. I promise you, probably in another 1 to 2 years of time, we would be adding a lot of content in our wealth management platform and of course our TRFX Academy. Only people with the login ID and the password can enter into this platform, and of course on a weekly basis we are trying to have at least around 10 plus videos, so that we would be able to reach to the target as far as the December 2022 is concerned. And we are committed to it, sir, to be honest. Treasury Consulting Group having own learnings platform, which is known as Sheetal Academy. As we speak, Sheetal Academy is covering around 13 plus schools. Few are mentioned here. The World of Options, Option Worlds, School of Nifty and Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics, and more schools are coming. Before I change the slide, the purpose of Sheetal Academy is to create a learning platform which link with Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg. We know that we have many learning academies worldwide, and I challenge all learning academy, how many of them are actually linked with Reuters and Bloomberg. I often share Reuters and Bloomberg screenshots on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. Hardly I see, in fact, limited people in the world are sharing the Reuters and the Bloomberg platform screenshots, because the question is, it requires a very deep and dense knowledge. Once you are sharing the screenshots, people generally ask questions from you, and you should have a knowledge to reply. That is more important thing. Very soon we have more schools coming. So as we speak, we are having Option World, Nifty, Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics. The other schools are School of Trade Finance, School of Regulatory, School of Treasury Technologies, Functional Training. We have functional trainings, forensic trainings, information technology trainings, regulatory trainings, and technological trainings. As we speak, around 200 plus trainings are listed. More trainings are coming over the period of the time. All these trainings and everything are integrated with our fixed income platform. You visit our fixed income platform and you would be able to get all trainings and all information here. Apart from that, we provided you the WhatsApp number. You just WhatsApp if you have any query, and in most of the cases we reply if we feel that the query is genuine. So the Sheetal Academy is a platform whose job is to provide practical and industry oriented knowledge. Of course, we link with Thomson Reuters, Bloomberg TV, and many international magazines, international books, and so on and so forth to provide you as practical training. You visit our YouTube channel. In fact, the video you just listened, you can compare this video with any other YouTube channel and rest you know. Apart from that, we just launched our TCG Video World. What is that? We have people, those who working day night in their respective jobs. Some are engineers, some are finance people and all. They don't have time to attend the regular one-to-one trainings. I agree that they need video trainings, like the content shot in the video delivered to them, and as and when they get time, they listen to it. We launched our TCG Video World, Treasury Consulting Group Video World. In this video world, we have decided to have 100 plus topics, 5 already done as we speak. As we speak, 5 video trainings are live, pay and get. The only time need is the time to upload on Telegram groups. Every training at least 1 hour or 2 hours. It is a video training, so it is not a one-to-one training. Videos are recorded, you get the videos, recorded videos. Videos to be upload in the Telegram groups, because Telegram gives you the privilege to upload 2 GB of video. Whenever we feel that the video length is big, we request people to share their Gmail IDs. They can create their fresh Gmail ID and we upload the video in their Gmail ID. Which so that because Telegram as we speak is giving a privilege of only 10 GB, 2 GB. This TCG Video Worlds covering advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. So basic trainings, advanced trainings, moderate trainings. Please note my next word carefully. All basic trainings would be 2000, which means you choose any topic of basic, you get at 2000. Moderate and advanced training pricing depend upon content to content. So I repeat, TCG Video World is a platform when you have 100 plus topic, 5 already live, 2 hours video training. It's a video training to be uploaded in the Telegram group. If we need more space, we request for Gmail ID. Advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. Please do remember this. And this is live. This platform is well integrated with our fixed income platform, www.fixedincome.global. So this is well integrated with our fixed income platform. This is a glimpse of our hedge fund desk. Like I made myself very clear upfrontly that no third party in the whole world can enter in this platform, which means that we do not trade somebody's money. We only trade our own money. So no third party can enter in our platform. This is only for ours. But this platform covers equity desk. This platform covers scalping group. This platform covers commodities desk, comics platform, penny stock desk, silver scalping fund which we just started, and more importantly the Asian desk where we're covering Singapore and all, and the digital gold. More product we would be launching in this hedge fund, but I will again repeat, no third party except Treasury Consulting can enter in this fund. This is not for outsiders. This is our prop hedge fund, which is completely designed for the organization, by the organization. No third party is allowed. And we are very limited companies in the world, those who are running the profitable hedge fund. Our income and everything is really good, but we do not trade somebody's money. These are our credentials. You know my handheld number 9899242978. These are our WhatsApp numbers, our platform www.fixedincome.global, email ID rahul.magan@treasuryconsulting.in or info@treasuryconsulting.in. I assure you, probably in another 1 year of time, we would have more than 100 plus different platforms across the globe. Company would continue to be cash rich. We never allow any venture capitalist to enter in our company because we know the side effects of that, and we continue to add lots of products and services. In case you wish to have any information, these are all the credentials. Thank you guys and have a great time ahead.